6ね OK
Okay?
OK
Okay.
OK はいはいレッツゴー
Okay.
Thank you very
はい
much.
はいはい You understand?
Yakiniku, that's food, right?
No This shop name が
Oh, he owns that place.
関与園
Okay.
Very very high class
In Cebu.
in Cebu
Very cold though. Here, very cold.
Cool?
Or
So we're here in Ching's place. Hella fancy. Pwede ako matulog dito pero lobby pa lang to. Waiting for Ching to come down. It's
Are we going up? Is she coming down?
it's 7 a.m.
Pilipino, ano? Walang pa.
Pinilit eh.
Pilipino.
Nasira daw eh.
Yan ah.
Yeah, no, there.
Grabe, parang nasa hotel
Left,
na.
left, left,
Left daw. Left.
left.
You invade your house.
Oh my god, I can't believe we're here.
No. How was your flight?
We're good. We're good.
Okay. Are you vlogging? Hi.
Yes. You're not blurred. Don't worry.
Gozaimasu.
Arigatou gozaimasu. Wait, let me get my stuff.
Come on.
Oh.
Which one?
Dun
Okay. Wow, you made it.
Nice.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
Wow.
Times work. Times
I
work.
can't believe this.
I leave, well, I have to shower. So cigarette in an hour, I'll leave.
It's so fancy here.
Get ready.
Yeah.
Meeting my friend in Asakusa.
Oh, okay, good. That's a cool area.
Yeah. Where's the
It's so
station though?
quiet here.
The station,
Yeah.
it's a 8-minute walk.
Okay.
Yeah, it's
I'll just
so
Google
nice.
map. Google
No,
map.
it's easy. It's so
Okay.
easy. Yeah. Wow. Wait, I'll give you the tour.
Okay.
Okay, this is the living room. Okay, so the only thing is, if someone's sleeping here, I don't have curtains because I like the natural light.
Okay.
But this place gets so sunny.
Well, it's fine.
I mean, if you're up
Pretty
by
so
this
soon.
time,
Okay.
it's fine. But like by 9 a.m.,
It gets super
hot.
sunny.
Well, it's just like
Which is nice.
Okay lang yun.
It's like in our place.
Ganda ng view.
Kitchen,
Sige.
use whatever. Oh my god, I was making sinigang last night, so I have sinigang if you want.
Talaga? Oh, grabe, may kaldero po. May kaldero pa siya.
Sa loob na.
Oh. So wait, ano to?
Oh,
Is that a
Wala lang.
chopping board?
Chopping board ba yan?
It's supposed to be a cheese tray.
Okay.
Pero-
Siya to, baka
Oh,
naman.
sorry,
No,
sorry,
I haven't
sorry.
used it. It's fine. This is the toilet room.
So this is where we shower also?
No, this is where you take shits.
I thought we were gonna shower here also. We should
No
take a shit
tabo
and shower.
There's, I think, one more roll up there. I can get more.
What roll?
Tissue.
Oh, yeah.
Hindi, tabo na lang. Wala ba tabo?
You have like the scooper.
My button.
Yeah, the scooper.
Seryoso?
Spray your butt.
It's gonna
Oh.
wipe your butt.
No, it
for you.
won't. It won't wipe your butt. It'll spray your butt. This is my bed.
This is where the
So-
magic happens.
No. Me, Mama, and Luisa fit here, pero paganong kami. And
Nagkasa kayo dyan?
we're small kasi, so I don't know.
Malaki ah. Mahaba.
Pwede
Actually,
nga, like,
mahaba.
five-
Oh, pwede dito.
Kasi kami dyan, the other way
Diba?
yung ganun.
Diba?
Tapos floating yung mga
shit, ano yun?
feet.
Wait,
Floating yung
ano ba
mga feet
itong
namin.
natatapakan ko?
Wings.
Weighing scale.
Ah, wait, scale.
Chopping board.
And then this is the
So,
bathroom.
pinapaway niya yung
Okay.
sarili natin before when we arrive and before we leave.
Oh yeah, this light is broken. I need to fix it. Girl, this is the bathroom. And then, oh yeah, I found 4 towels for you.
Oh, thank
And then
you.
if you wash this, which I'll use this morning,
We can swim there.
you can use the 5th one for at the burner, whatever.
Ayos.
I have a towel though, so I brought them.
Oh, okay, okay.
She brought them.
So the showers here, the whole room gets wet. So this is the whole shower.
Okay.
Yeah, it's kind of weird. And then when you leave, just hit this one.
What does that mean?
Tanggal yung
Exhaust?
ano, yung exhaust.
Yeah, yeah. Para mag-evaporate yung water.
Okay.
Yeah, and
That
then
one, that one?
this is a washer
The-
and
the
dryer
red- wait,
combo.
Go back.
Oh,
The red button?
Oh no, this one.
That has to be on the right.
When we leave, we
Yeah.
press that.
Yeah.
I'll take a picture.
Siguro like after the last one showers, just
Okay.
hit this one, and this will dehumidify the room. This one, if you're cold and you want heater, it's gonna be fancy. And this one, if you want to dry, like I'm drying the towels there, you can hit this one.
Which is a dryer inside.
Yeah,
This is heater for the whole place, or this?
just this,
Oh, okay.
just this. So
Okay,
in the
well,
winter time, it's kind of nice. But this one, before you leave the house, just so it dehumidifies.
If we don't hit that, what's gonna happen?
Mold.
Yeah.
This one is washer dryer combo.
Okay.
Yeah,
I don't think we're gonna clean naman ata eh.
just in case.
Just in case.
Just in
I only have
case.
Ikaw,
And then,
one,
di yata siya
one pair
nagdala,
of
no?
underwear.
Go ahead.
just go to Nico.
Isang underwear lang. Ano? mamaya laba. Bukas laba
Oh, I'll
na.
text you the Wi-Fi pala. My Wi-Fi is like okay. It's not,
How's your neighbors? Are they?
I haven't heard them ever. So either they're quiet or
I mean, kasi syempre we're a lot here. We might make noise, di ba?
Okay lang yun.
okay lang yan.
Talaga.
I
Okay.
guess not too late, not too early the noise, pero they haven't gotten mad at me yet.
Okay, cool.
So this is my Wi-Fi password.
Kasama niya yung Kasama niya yung din. Yun yung password ko sa bahay.
I think it's CC. Okay, I texted it. Okay, that's it.
Yay, dito ka muna.
Do you have enough room for the luggage and everything?
I'll sleep in the kitchen.
Yeah, feel free to move whatever.
Oh, you have a balcony also?
Yeah, but I never use it.
How do you go there? You go there.
There's a room, I mean, there's a way in my room. There is
Oh.
locked by my bed. So,
Where's the donor? Over there's the donor.
who's this?
Your
Si
mama.
Oh, hi, mommy.
Bon,
Ano?
masipag ka ba?
Ano? Bakit?
Kasi, tamod eh.
Ah,
Picture siya ng kimono na may fur.
we went over there and then we turned around like this.
まもなく六本木です。足元にご注意ください。
Okay, we're in Asakusa, Japan. Just chilling outside. Labig. Sino natin nandun sa ano eh? Ano to? Ichiran. Ayan, dun. Nagpapalamig lang ako dito kasi hindi pa sila tapos. Kaya ako tapos na. So antay ko lang sila dun. Sobrang lamig. Bumili ako ng coffee na ano, mainit. Ayan, sama ko si Mom. Lalamig kami. Ayan. Waiting.
Doon na ako, sige, okay lang. Dito, okay lang kami dito.
Good morning! Getting ready for the day. We are now leaving.
The next station is Gakugei-dai.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my god.
1, 2, 3. Okay. Thank you.
By the tree. Ikebukuro. ご乗車。
No, I don't.
Okay, go.
Naglanda si Bern. Kanyari, nagmamadali ka, diba? Punta na ng trabaho. Tangin na late na ako. Tapos na.
I made it alive.
You made it alive.
Your parents are gonna know face na.
Congratulations.
I made it alive.
I'm smart and I made it.
Wow, it's so nice.
Baby G, ask for dollars from Ninong Mike.
Dad, Tito Ninong Mike, buy me cute stuff.
Baby G, what do you want? What do you want from Japan?
Sanrio. Then yun ang Sanrio.
Sanrio?
Na mga cute.
Ah, sige.
Wala itong reservation. Magpapasok lang kasi kaka-open lang ng 6 para sigurado. And this is the hard part, to look for them.
No, I'm a resident. Yeah. You know, it knows what I got.
My dad eats hella fast.
How do you eat so fast?
I'm slow.
The doctor.
Oh, kasi you don't have a long break.
Thank you.
Is the vlog?
I'll see. Bawal kasi kumain sa habang naglalakad. So, nandito kami sa Family Mart. Mabilis ang dessert.
Ching. Can I use this
Sarap.
card like...
Very cold! Swimming.
Next bus stop, number 144. Golf course entrance.
Kaya. Kaya.
Going home now. Say hello to Uniqlo Ginza.